Thank you very much. This is Okeya Dokta, and where I am today, this is accurate komarocks group of schools, and this is one of our schools. This is one of our class. This is class grade 9, and this is the setup that we have here. As you can see, we have a whiteboard here, and also we have the screen here where we display our technology things. So today I just want to teach you how we do what is called the scratch. Just like any other programming, we have so many languages that computer understands. Computer understands the Python programming, computer understands Java, JavaScript, C, C++. But now, when it comes to grade 9, grade 7, grade 6, grade 5, going down up to grade 4, based on the CBC program, there is something that we have, the language that is very simple, that we have, and it is called the scratch programming. The scratch programming by default is a programming in such a way that it is whereby we do programming by snapping blocks together, like a puzzle piece, to come up with a program. Now, when you look at the interface of scratch programming based on CBC, there is something called the stage. The stage is where we display our program after writing it. Now, in this class, this is our stage, and stage is like a screen. But before we come to this one here, the stage, there is something we call the scratch script area. Script area is where we write our program. And then what we do, scripts is the program. And we do it by using what is called a character. A character in the scratch is called a sprite. And then there is a way that we set the character. There is the background, and then there is the character itself. The character itself is represented by cartoon network. So the interface of scratch programming, number 1, we are talking about the stage. Number 2, we are talking about the sprite. Number 3, we are talking about the script area, script itself, and we are talking about the background, the stats. Those are the blocks. I'm forgetting the blocks, because when we are writing this program, we are using the block. So block is where we are snapping them together to come up with a program. So we'll be writing our program maybe somewhere here. After writing this program here, there is a start button which we are going to play to give us to show on the stage. So this is our stage. In this class here, the stage is the screen, and that is the interface. How do we use the scratch? The scratch is used for animation, video games, and we also use them to make stories. So at the end of the day in grade 9, if your kid is not able to come up with a program that can play the cartoon, then that school is not the good school that you're supposed to take your child to. That is why we are talking about our kids here are very able to come up with a program, not just downloading what we call the cartoon network, but they also come up with their cartoon, then they play their cartoon. Our grade 9 are like artificial intelligence in accurate group of schools, accurate komarocks. So this is a digital school. This is a school that is really teaching kids the natural skills, the skills that is needed based on the CBC language. We don't just do it theoretically, but we also do it practically. Thank you very much.